Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different crafty activities that are going to be full of fun. First we have taken this pine and then we are just cutting it down, and you can see we have made some of the colors that we are filling on this canvas, and after that you can see with the help of the brush we are mixing the different shades together and creating a beautiful background. After that we are taking this black color and now we have already created some of the stencils, and now we are pasting them one after the another, over which we are placing some of the sponge imprints. Now the already prepared the corns are to be taken, that are the pine cones, and then we are placing them one after the other with the help of the super glue. It looks so beautiful. Let's now move towards another painting. For this one, you may require the canvas, and over which we are just taking some of the oil pastels. Then we are just taking the different shades of the orange, and with the help of the tape, we are just creating these different margins between the two. You just have to take the orange shades from the left and the blue one from the right. Then take the black marker, or you can use directly the black pastel and try to make the tree. After that, with the help of the stencil and with the help of the white black color, you are just trying to make the different types of the things in the background, and with the help of the earbud you have to imprint some of the blossoms over the tree. This looks so good and easy. Let's now move towards our another painting that's again going to be full of fun. First, you just have to take the canvas, and after that, you just have to make the cross in between. Then we are actually going to divide it into the four parts. First part here, we have used a dark theme and we have used the different shades of the green. For the second one, we are using the different shades of the blue. For the third one, we have used the orange and the yellow mixture. And for the fourth one, it's the magenta purple shade. And then you just have to remove the tape. Once you are done with this, you just have to make the different types of the looks. We can make use of the stencil to create the different patterns, and at the end you just have to remove the tape. Let's move towards our another activity. Here we are again taking the canvas and we are filling it with the two shades of the blue, that's the darker one and the lighter one. From the lower side we are filling it with the black color. After that it's time to make some of the clouds. If we talk about the difficulty level, then this one is a little bit difficult because coloring is all here required. After that, with the help of the stencil, create the different type of the image, and we can see we are taking some of the natural leaves and we are pasting them there. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one, you just have to first fill the canvas with the background of the bluish color. After that, you just have to take the white color and make the mountains here. Now you just have to give the illusion of the water, then fill the lower portion with the black lines. After that, with the help of the sponge, you just have to create the clouds so that these will look 3D natural flowers. In the background, you just have to make use of the pink color to make some of the trees. These are actually the blossom tree. Let's move further towards another activity. For this one, again, you just have to take the canvas, and from the four sides, you just have to wrap it with the help of the double-sided tape or the paper tape. After that, we are taking the different shades of the colors. Blue, we have taken the pink, we have taken the yellow and the blacker one. Now we are taking different types of the stencils and we are making some of the imprints with the help of the black sheet or the black color. After that, you just have to add some of the dots in the background, and it looks so cute and easy. Remove all the tape from all the corners. Let's move further towards our another painting. Here we are going to show you how to make this lovable night painting. For this one, you just have to take the canvas and you just have to take the different shades of the blue color, darker, lighter. From darker, you have to start till you will reach the lighter one. After that, from the lower portion, you just have to make the black lining, and then a heart is placed at the center. With the help of the brush, I'm sprinkling some of the color over the background. It looks so cool. In the background, you just have to take the stencil and just make them there with the help of the sponge. Thank you.